Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today I'm going to read the Indian Express article. So here we go. 20% ethanol blending target 2025, 5 years early. This goal of 20% ethanol blending was earlier set at 2030, but seeing the kind of strides that the country has made in the past 7 years, we have decided to reduce the timeline by 5 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Saturday advanced the country's target of 20% ethanol blending in petrol by 5 years to 2025 from 2030. This goal of 20% ethanol blending was earlier set at 2030, but seeing the kind of strides that the country has made in the past 7 years, we have decided to reduce the timeline by 5 years, Modi said at the launch of a pilot project for dispensing ethanol from 3 petrol stations in Pune. The Prime Minister also released a report of an interministerial committee which lays out a comprehensive roadmap for the development of the ethanol sector. So far, ethanol was being produced in sugar growing states, but now it will be produced across the country with the setting up of food grain waste distilleries and agricultural waste ethanol plants, he said. The government had last year set a target of 10% ethanol blending in petrol by 2022 and 10% ethanol blending in diesel by 2030. In 2020-21, oil marketing companies, that is OMCs, raised the proportion of ethanol blended in petrol to 8.5% from 5% in the previous year. The procurement of ethanol by OMCs almost doubled to 332 crore liters from 173 liters in the previous fiscal. The Prime Minister said the increased focus on use of ethanol as a fuel was positively impacting the environment as well as the lives of the farmers. In 2013-14, 38 crore liters of ethanol was brought. Today, over 320 crore liters is bought, more than 8 times. This is worth rupees 21,000 crore. A lot of this has gone to the farmers, especially our sugarcane farmers. When we achieve 20% ethanol blending, imagine how much money farmers will make, he said. Ethanol blending will also, to a large extent, solve the problem of agricultural waste as well as the sugar rates plummeting due to excess production, therefore providing security to sugarcane farmers, Modi said. The procurement of ethanol by OMCs is governed by an administered pricing mechanism that fixes prices every year based on the raw material use. Fixing of the price of raw materials for production had led to India producing ethanol at prices higher than other countries, the report said. The price of ethanol production in India ranges from $6.63 to $0.87 a liter, significantly higher than the US and Brazil, where it is about $0.61 per liter. The report also highlighted the excessive use of water, estimated at 2,860 liters for the production of 1 liter of ethanol from sugar. There was a need to move to a more environmentally sustainable crops, it said. In the previous fiscal, 87% of the ethanol used for India's ethanol blending program was produced using sugar. Thank you very much.